You have finally uncovered the truth. Everything in your life, your relationships, your wealth, your struggles, even your deepest fears, was written in the stars before you were born. Your natal chart is not just a collection of planets and symbols. It is a coded map, an ancient script that reveals secrets about your destiny that you were never meant to know until now. Why do some people seem to attract success effortlessly while others struggle for years? Why do certain patterns keep repeating in your life? The answer has always been there, hidden within your natal chart, and today you will finally learn how to read it. But be warned, once you see the truth, you can never unsee it. Think about the most successful people in history: entrepreneurs, artists, leaders, visionaries. What if I told you that they all share something in common? That their success is not just a matter of luck, talent, or hard work, but something much deeper. Every major turning point in your life, every opportunity, every challenge, it was all mapped out the day you were born. And once you understand your natal chart, you will hold the key to unlocking your true potential. Your natal chart is your cosmic fingerprint. It is entirely unique to you, a blueprint of your strengths, weaknesses, and life path. But most people don't know how to read it. Today you will learn exactly how to do that. Let's start with the basics. The three core elements that define who you are: the sun, the moon, and the ascendant. Your sun sign represents your core essence, your personality, your life force, the energy that drives you forward. Most people believe their sun sign is the most important aspect of astrology, but this is just the surface. Your sun sign reveals what fuels your passion, what gives you energy, and what ultimately makes you feel alive. But it doesn't tell the whole story. Your moon sign is where your true emotions, instincts, and subconscious desires reside. While the sun is your outward expression, the moon is your inner world, your intuition, your fears, your emotional triggers. Ever felt an unexplained connection to something or someone? That's your moon sign guiding you. It governs the way you love, the way you react under stress, and the things that make you feel safe or vulnerable. But what about how others perceive you? Why do people sometimes see you differently from how you see yourself? The answer lies in your ascendant, also known as your rising sign. Your ascendant determines your first impression, your outer persona, and the energy you project to the world. It's the mask you wear, the way you carry yourself, and the filter through which others view you. Understanding your ascendant allows you to shape the way you are perceived, giving you the power to control your personal brand, your social interactions, and even your success in life. Now, let's test this. Look up your natal chart and find your sun, moon, and ascendant signs. Drop them in the comments below. At the end of this video, I will reveal what they truly mean together, and trust me, the results will surprise you. So you now understand your sun, moon, and ascendant, but this is just the beginning. The real magic of astrology lies in the houses, the 12 cosmic domains that shape every aspect of your life. Think of them as different rooms in a grand mansion. Each house governs a specific area: your career, your relationships, your hidden talents, your financial destiny. And understanding them will give you the ability to predict and control the key turning points of your life. The first house is your identity. It's how you present yourself to the world. It represents your physical appearance, your personality, and even the first impression you give others. If you have a strong planet in your first house, like Mars or Jupiter, you naturally radiate confidence and leadership. If Saturn is here, you might appear serious, disciplined, or even reserved. This house is crucial because it determines the energy you bring into every new chapter of your life. If you've ever felt like people judge you before they even know you, it's because your first house energy speaks before you do. Now let's move to the house of partnerships, the 7th house. This is where your closest relationships are written: romantic partners, business partnerships, even long-term friendships. Ever wondered why you attract a specific type of partner? Your 7th house holds the key. If Venus is here, love comes easily, and you likely thrive in harmonious relationships. If Mars dominates, your relationships may be passionate but intense, sometimes filled with conflict and power struggles. Some people are destined for deep soulmate-like connections. Others are meant to experience multiple relationships, each serving as a lesson. Your seventh house reveals the truth about your love life and how to make the right connections. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful houses, the 10th house. This is the house of your career, your reputation, and the mark you leave on the world. If you've ever felt an unexplained pull toward a certain career path, your 10th house holds the answer. Strong Saturn here, you're built for long-term success and discipline. Jupiter, fortune and expansion come naturally when you step into leadership roles. Many of the world's most influential figures, CEOs, artists, politicians, have powerful planets in their 10th house. This is the house that determines how high you can rise and what kind of legacy you will leave behind. Now, let's make this personal. Look up your natal chart and find out which sign rules your 10th house. Is it fiery Aries, ambitious Capricorn, or maybe intuitive Pisces? Drop your answer in the comments, and at the end of this video, I'll reveal how your 10th house determines your professional destiny. Now that we've uncovered your identity, relationships, and career potential, it's time to explore the houses that hold the deepest secrets, the ones that shape your financial future, your hidden abilities, and even the karmic lessons you were meant to learn in this lifetime. What if I told you that your ability to attract wealth isn't just about hard work or luck, that the way money flows into your life is already written in your natal chart? The second house is the house of wealth, personal finances, and material possessions. It reveals how you earn money, what kind of financial success you're destined for, and even the subconscious beliefs you have about abundance. If your second house is ruled by Taurus or Capricorn, you likely build wealth slowly and steadily through discipline and patience. If it's ruled by Leo, you may thrive in high-profile careers where your charisma attracts financial opportunities. And here's the twist: your second house doesn't just tell you how you make money, it also reveals how you spend it. Do you hoard your wealth out of fear? Do you splurge on luxury items? Your natal chart holds the answer. But what about the kind of wealth that doesn't come from your job? The 8th house holds the secrets to financial windfalls, inheritances, investments, and even hidden sources of power. This is the house of transformation, mystery, and shared resources. It governs deep financial connections, such as business partnerships, joint ventures, and even the financial influence of a spouse. If Pluto or Mars is here, you may experience intense financial ups and downs, but with the right mindset, you can harness this energy to achieve massive financial success. If Jupiter is in your 8th house, wealth may come to you in unexpected ways, through inheritances, lucky breaks, or powerful benefactors. But be careful, this house also governs power struggles and control. If you've ever felt like money is tied to emotional battles in your life, your 8th house may hold the answer. Now let's talk about the most mysterious house in astrology, the 12th house. This is the house of the unseen, the subconscious, past life karma, and hidden talents that you may not even know you possess. This house is deeply spiritual, often linked to dreams, intuition, and the secrets buried in your subconscious mind. If you've ever felt a deep, unexplained connection to something beyond this world, your 12th house may be speaking to you. Those with strong 12th house placements often have psychic abilities, a powerful intuition, or an innate understanding of human nature. But it's also the house of self-undoing. If you ignore its lessons, you may struggle with self-sabotage, anxiety, or feelings of isolation. Understanding this house is crucial because it holds the key to breaking karmic cycles and unlocking the hidden gifts you were born with. Now let's make this interactive. Look at your natal chart and find which sign rules your 12th house. Is it the dreamy energy of Pisces, the structured lessons of Capricorn, or the deep transformation of Scorpio? Drop your answer in the comments, and at the end of this video, I'll reveal how your 12th house can unlock your hidden talents and karmic path. So far, we've uncovered your identity, your career potential, and the hidden forces shaping your wealth and relationships. But now we step into the most powerful layer of your natal chart, the planetary aspects. If the planets are the characters of your life story, then the aspects are the connections between them, the relationships that create tension, power, and destiny. Think of it like this. Some people seem to have everything come easily, while others face constant struggles. Why? The answer lies in their planetary aspects, the cosmic wiring that determines whether your energy flows effortlessly or if you must break through obstacles to unlock your full potential. The conjunction is the most intense aspect in astrology. It occurs when two planets sit so close together that their energies merge into one. This can be an extreme blessing or a tremendous challenge. For example, if you have a Sun-Mercury conjunction, you have the mind of a genius, sharp thinking, quick decision-making, and the ability to communicate ideas effortlessly. But if you have a Mars-Saturn conjunction, you may feel like you're constantly pushing against a brick wall, endless struggles, delays, and challenges. However, if mastered, this is the aspect of warriors, CEOs, and the most disciplined leaders in history. Conjunctions create superpowers, but only if you learn to control them. Oppositions are the cosmic tug of war, two planets pulling in opposite directions, creating tension that can either destroy you or make you unstoppable. If you have a Moon-Saturn opposition, you may feel emotionally blocked, struggling to express your true feelings. But once you master this, you gain emotional resilience and wisdom beyond your years. A Venus-Mars opposition can make relationships feel like an endless battle between passion and independence. But once you find balance, this aspect can create intense, magnetic attraction that draws people to you effortlessly. Oppositions create powerful lessons. The stronger the tension, the greater the reward when mastered. Squares are the hard aspects, the ones that bring frustration, struggle, and conflict. But here's the secret. Every square is an opportunity for massive growth. A Sun-Pluto square can make life feel like an endless power struggle, but those who overcome it develop a level of inner strength and transformation that makes them unstoppable. A Mercury-Neptune square can create confusion, miscommunication, and self-doubt. But once you conquer this aspect, you gain the ability to think outside the box and create ideas that change the world. Squares are the pressure that turns coal into diamonds. The question is, will you break under the weight or rise as a legend? Trines are the gifts of the universe, smooth, natural talents that flow effortlessly. They are the areas of life where things just seem to click without effort. A Venus-Jupiter trine can bring luck, charm, and endless opportunities in love and wealth. If you have this aspect, success seems to find you. A Mars-Uranus trine gives you an innovative, rebellious streak. Those with this aspect are natural pioneers, pushing boundaries and breaking records. Trines are easy energy, but they come with a warning. Because they require no effort, many people take them for granted and never fully use their gifts. Sextiles are the hidden doors in your life, the opportunities waiting to be unlocked if you're willing to take action. A Mercury-Mars sextile gives you sharp thinking and fast action, making you a natural strategist and problem solver. A Moon-Venus sextile makes you deeply in tune with beauty, art, and relationships. If you use this energy, you can create a life of harmony and emotional fulfillment. Sextiles are potential energy, but unlike trines, they require action. If you don't use them, they remain untapped potential. Now let's test your chart. Look at your strongest planetary aspect, the one that appears most frequently or has the tightest orb. Is it a powerful conjunction that amplifies your gifts? An opposition that creates deep inner conflicts? A square that challenges you to become stronger? Drop your aspect in the comments, and at the end of this video, I'll reveal how to use it to unlock your full potential. You've uncovered the secrets of your sun, moon, and ascendant. You've explored the hidden power of your houses. You've decoded the planetary aspects that shape your destiny. But now comes the most important part. How do you take this knowledge and turn it into power? Because information alone won't change your life. Action will. The first step is to recognize where your natural strengths lie and where your biggest obstacles are. Look at your chart. Which planets are in strong positions? Which aspects create harmony and which create conflict? If you have a strong Jupiter, you're naturally lucky, Your key to success is expansion, risk-taking, and abundance. If you have challenging Saturn aspects, your success will come through discipline, patience, and mastery over time. Your natal chart is your blueprint. Once you see it clearly, you will never be confused about your path again. Timing is everything, and astrology is the key to perfect timing. Transits show you when doors will open and when challenges will arise. If you understand the cycles of Saturn, Jupiter, and Pluto, you will know exactly when to push forward and when to step back. The most successful people in the world, CEOs, world leaders, investors, many of them secretly use astrology to make decisions. Now, you have that same power. Everything in your chart leads to one thing: your true life purpose. Your North Node reveals where your soul is meant to grow. It is the path that may feel uncomfortable, but it is where your greatest potential lies. If your North Node is in Aries, you must step into leadership. If it's in Libra, you're here to master relationships and harmony. If it's in Scorpio, your power lies in transformation and depth. Your destiny is written in the stars. The question is, will you follow it? Now, I want you to do something important. Look at your natal chart and find your North Node. This is the most powerful placement in your chart. It reveals your soul's mission in this lifetime. Drop your North Node sign in the comments. At the end of this video, I'll reveal what it means. And trust me, this knowledge can change everything. Now you see the truth. Your life is not random. Your struggles, your talents, your purpose, it's all part of a grand design. Some people go through life lost, never knowing why they're here. But you now have the master key. The question is, what will you do with it?